Okay, y'all, this is the final potato harvest. I plant it every 2 weeks, so this is my last bucket in the biggest bucket. So let's see what we got. Sting potatoes, you need a glove because it gets so nasty. So it's the potato it started with. It's no good to eat. But this one potato produced all those other potatoes. So let's see what else we got. Ooh, looks good. Oh, this side had red potatoes. I love red potatoes. Another original red potato. So many blue ones. Oop, some more blue ones and a little red one. Ooh, almost filled up the bucket. Okay, I think this is it. And another question I got was, do I reuse the soil? Absolutely. This is the last potato harvest of the season. Definitely got some good sized potatoes this time.